4 pages. You can actually see them up here on the cliff. The town of Horsetooth, or
like a little floating store and gas station. I just hop off the thing.
oh, that's cool.
I need lunch, so I'm gonna grab a little thing or something.
Yeah.
So we'll be distant. No wait to be here for about the next 10 minutes while we go all the way into the marina. About swim fast.
Louis,
Yeah.
give me a little introduction here. What are we about to enjoy?
Horsetooth Reservoir.
Yeah.
Supposedly it's named after the horse-tooth-shaped rock that I'll show you later. It looks like it just has a little. It's stupid. It looks like an upside-down horse tooth, I guess.
Yeah.
And it has a. And supposedly that's what they named it after. But I'll ask them at the gift shop.
And that.
If that's really true, which I don't know if it is. I'm guessing it is because that sign that said horse tooth at the dam. If you notice the top of it is shaped like the rock, so I'm guessing that's probably.
So from the aerial view, like if you looked at it from Google Earth or something.
No, not that. You'll see when we go out on the lake. There's a mountain. There's a rock sticking up, and it looks like the bottom part of a horse's tooth kind of split and cracked.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of retarded.
Yeah. Retarded.
And I see you're wearing your new shirt there.
Correct. They call it upside down horse tooth reservoir.
Yeah. Exactly.
The upside down rough edge of a horse's tooth reservoir. But that's a long sign.